Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so this video is dedicated to a product review, you guys. Today I am reviewing a mascara. Yes, you heard me correctly, a mascara, which by the way, I have on right now. So results of the mascara I will be talking about. And another side note, you guys, this makeup look I've done and posted a video. I believe the video is already posted up, so if you want to check it out, of course, after you watch this video, go ahead and check out that video of this makeup look I did. Alright, so with all that said, today we are reviewing the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. The one I have is the waterproof mascara, but in any case, it is the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Here is what it looks like. Alright, it comes in a nice silver, like reflective mirror packaging. The design is pretty chunky, I would say, but still it's cute. When you open it up, that is what the bristles look like. You guys see that? And if you take a look at it, like really take a look at it carefully, the bristles are, as a matter of fact, it is a plastic bristle, and it has long and short bristles mixed into it. Now, the beauty of a plastic long and short bristle, what it does, at least from my experience, I noticed, so first of all this is based on my own personal experience, so let's just lay that right on the table. My lashes are not long, they are short and stubborn and stubby. So this mixture of plastic, short and long bristles, what it does, it really captures every single lash and just helps it be coated and curled. It just grabs all your lashes, especially if you have short lashes like I do. Seriously, just, you would think my lashes are nice and long, but really, they're not. It's all thanks to the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. I kid you not, you guys. So, the bristles play definitely a big part in this lash lifting system. And, I mean, let me just... Can I zoom in, you guys? Alright, so I have zoomed in for you guys. This is pretty close if you ask me. But... it's just to show you guys the results of the Bambi lashes. And you guys, honestly, look how long my lashes look. And these are my natural lashes. And I promise you my lashes are short and stubborn. But that is the result using the Bambi eyelash mascara, alright? The Bambi Eye Mascara. Alright, so let's go in and really deep dive and talk about the product. Number one, like I said earlier, is called the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. And if you see me looking down, it's because I'm looking at my phone, looking at notes that I typed up, just so I can cover every basis and not forget to tell you guys every itty bitty detail that I know and I want to share with you. So, it is by L'Oreal. It is a drugstore mascara, which is a wonderful thing. Makeup these days can be super expensive, but you really don't have to break a bank when it comes to putting on makeup. I feel like you can buy wonderful, affordable, of course, or affordability is relative, but wonderful, affordable products and still get the results you desire. So, this is a drugstore product. You can buy it at like Ulta, at their drugstore section, all that good stuff. So, speaking of Ulta, you can buy the Bambi Mascara, and according to the Ulta website, you can get it for $10.99 US. And of course, taxes added. If you buy it online, there's probably shipping, yada yada yada. But ultimately, $10.99. It comes in 3 different colors. They have the Extra Noir, I believe that's how you pronounce it. They have the color Black Brown, and then last but not least, they have the color Blackest Black. I believe the color that I got is Blackest Black. Alright, now it tells us, Bambi Eye Intensified. Discover a real eye opener with L'Oreal Paris Bambi Eye Extra Noir Mascara for instant eye opening effect. Now, it's telling us that it does an instant eye opening effect. In my opinion, does this baby really give you that instant eye opening effect? In short, yes, it does, you guys. Honestly, I put this on, I automatically see my eyes open up instantly. As a matter of fact, I see my lashes lifted up, and amazingly, usually when I put mascaras on, it's lifted and it stays up in the beginning, but as the day goes on, the weight of the mascara brings my lashes down, so we're back at square one, but with just mascara on it. You know what I mean? But this right here, I put it on, the lashes are lifted, it's looking great in the beginning, and at the end of the day, it's still, lashes are lifted and still looking great. Doesn't matter, alright? So it's like this formula where your lashes are lifted up, it stays up at first, and at the end of the day, it's still staying up. So that is truly amazing. At least I think it is to me, because from my experience, mascaras, they can get kind of heavy and they weigh down. You get what I'm saying? This doesn't do that. Your lashes are lifted and they're gonna stay lifted. So, and on top of that, you guys, I kind of feel like because my lashes are lifted up, it makes me feel a little bit more awake. It makes me feel like I am more like, it's added on to my morning routine. The coffee I drink makes me feel a little bit more awake. The morning exercise routines makes me feel a little bit more awake. The lashes, this mascara lifting my lashes up truly makes me feel a little bit more awake. It's just, boom, my eyes are awake. I feel awake. It just does. It's magic. You know what I mean? So that is definitely a statement I agree with. Moving on, it tells us it is, let's see, instant eye-opening effect and volume now with an intense, luminous, ultra-black formula for a more intense Bambi eye effect. The brush is a mix of long and short bristles, which I've talked about in the beginning of the video. It provides a lash by lash separation and definition and lifting. So, lash by lash separation and lifting. I completely and totally agree with this. I wrote in my notes that I agree with it because it really does separate my lashes. There are some mascaras out there which I do love and enjoy using, but it kind of like, I want to use the word clumps up. It just makes my lashes look thicker. Each individual lash look thicker when I use other mascaras, but this Bambi mascara, it makes my lashes look as if it's naturally that long. What did I write in my notes? I wrote, I agree with this statement. It does really separate my lashes. It does not clump up. And I wrote, basically my lashes look naturally long. It just makes them look like as if I was born with natural long lashes. That's how I feel. So that's what I wrote. All right, so continuing on, it tells us curling each lash to create a bigger, wide eyelash look with intense and bold lashes. Now, it tells us bold lashes. Now, I don't know about you guys or what you think the definition of bold lashes might be, but personally, I don't really get the bold lash vibe. When I think of like, boom, bold lashes, it's like thicker, you know, more like each lash just looks heavier, but I don't get that vibe from this. So when it tells me bold lashes, to me it doesn't really, I don't really resonate with that. I don't agree with it. Not that it's a bad thing, I just don't think it looks like a bold lash, and I am completely fine with that. So I don't think it's a bold lash look. I do feel like it's a more intense, natural look. And I get it, that might sound like an oxymoron, but if you think about it, it really isn't. Intense lash look, like I said earlier in the video, I talk about the lashes looking naturally long. So my lashes look like they are naturally long, but like as if I didn't really put product on it, as if I was born with these naturally long lashes. You get what I'm saying, right? Alright, so moving on, it tells us 8 out of 10 women agrees that it does not clump up during application process, and I am one of those 8 out of 10 women. I do agree it does not clump up. Again, no clumps, no mess. It is very clean. Not clean as in like, you know, just the application process is very clean and straightforward. You know, I really like that. So, blah 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 blah, keep on reading. Alright, so basically it tells us instant eye-opening. Yes, I agree. 8 out of 10 says it does not clump up. Yes, I agree. It tells us it has a luminous black formula with pearls for reflex. All right, that part, I did not know that. It has pearls for reflex. I'm guessing that reflex pearls, that's like probably super tiny, microscopic. That's what's helping the eyes look more wide-eyed and awake. And it's just, that's where the magic is coming from. I don't know how that works, but whatever it is, I mean, it truly is working. So the reflex pearls, that sounds very bougie, I'm just all for that, you guys. All right, it tells us bigger, wide-eye look for intense, bold lashes. I agree with everything in that statement except for the bold part. I did talk about that earlier. So yeah, that is pretty much it for my review on the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. So you guys, I do love this mascara. So far it is my current favorite mascara. I have another favorite mascara that I use a lot, but for a more everyday wear and pretty much literally everyday wear, I go to my Bambi mascara, the Bambi Eye Mascara, and yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Alright, you guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys like videos like this where I talk about different products, pretty much giving you guys the inside scoop, I guess, or pretty much giving you guys the, you know, how I truly feel about different products. In this case, the L'Oreal Bambi Eye Mascara. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. And of course, like the video, give it a thumbs up if you haven't. And follow me on my social media platform. I have Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are down below. And yeah, that's it, you guys. Alright, I hope you guys are staying safe. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful night, wherever you are. I'll talk to you next time. Bye, guys.